In this video, we'll create a data science project architecture using a hypothetical project that models the recovery of the tourism industry post-pandemic. Most data scientists have had plenty of training and tutorials on data wrangling and data modeling, but they don't often get to think through how their model fits into an application. When we say application, that could mean a lot of different things. It could mean a database that just collects predictions. It could be a website that provides users with predictions. It could be a dashboard for business analytics. Starting with a data science architecture sketch, even before you start the data wrangling and machine learning steps, is one of the best ways to set yourself up for success. When I'm doing a data science project architecture, I like to list out my raw data sources on the left-hand side. In the case of our tourism industry application, we have 4. We've got the flight data from OpenSky, a RESTful API, the weather data from NOAA, which is another RESTful API, stock market data from FinHub, which is a WebSocket API, and hotel descriptions that are the result of web scraping using a headless browser like Selenium. On the right-hand side, I like to list my goals. Now, keep in mind, the goal is not just to produce a trained and pickled model. Instead, it's some kind of application that will use my model to do something useful. Let's say we want to build a real-time dashboard that a booking company can use to anticipate spikes and valleys in tourism levels and use that information to develop targeted marketing campaigns. In the middle of my architecture, I will list out the transformers and estimators and other stages in my wrangling and modeling pipeline where my data needs to get processed. Perhaps this includes some kind of labeling tool that can take the raw flight data and wrangle it and label the flights as either on time, late, or canceled. Maybe this also includes some kind of key phrase extractor for my hotel data to find important terms and phrases. We'll add an outlier detector for our stock market feed and a normalizer for our weather data. We also need to add our model trainer. Let's pretend that we're going to use an LSTM here to produce a time series regression. The next step is to draw the lines that connect us from our sources on the left side through our estimators and transformers in the middle and navigate the data to the dashboard on the right-hand side. These lines often illuminate the topics that are required for our project, as well as the data and metadata that will be needed to design our event schema. When sketching out these data science project architectures, the important thing to remember is that these are about thinking through the problem, not presenting it to an external audience. So it doesn't have to be fancy or perfect. Good luck!